Today, we will discuss the recent Midnight Blizzard attack on Microsoft's corporate environment and explore how Simeon Cloud could potentially prevent such incidents. Before we get into the details of the breach, we wanted to introduce you to Simeon Cloud. Simeon Cloud plays a crucial role in bolstering the security of Microsoft 365 environments for corporations. Using configuration as code, Simeon Cloud ensures your tenant maintains a desired state and monitors changes to policies, apps, and security configurations. Now let's delve into the details of the Midnight Blizzard breach. This attack was orchestrated by a hacking group known as Nobelium, a state-sponsored actor from Russia. Their strategy involved a technique known as password spraying, aimed at identifying and exploiting unsecured users within an environment. In Microsoft's case, the focus was on a test environment, which are often less fortified than production environments, lacking stringent policies and protective measures. It's crucial to recognize the inherent vulnerabilities of test environments to such attacks. Tools like Simeon Cloud are instrumental in ensuring these environments are safeguarded with the same rigorous policies and access controls as their production counterparts. As mentioned, the Midnight Blizzard group managed to penetrate the test tenant through password spraying, a refined form of brute force attack that mimics legitimate user activity and utilizes IP addresses known to be trustworthy, conducted at a pace designed to evade detection. Over a period that could extend to a month, the attackers persistently tested various user accounts, exploiting the absence of multi-factor authentication, MFA, to breach the system. Upon gaining entry, they discovered and exploited a vulnerable OAuth application, which served as their gateway to the Microsoft corporate tenant. This access enabled them to create privileged users and subsequently establish additional applications within the tenant. These applications were specifically designed to alter Office mailbox policies. The ultimate objective of Midnight Blizzard was to intercept sensitive communications among Microsoft's senior security executives. Their goal was to gather intelligence on what Microsoft knew about Midnight Blizzard and Nobelium. Regrettably, their mission was accomplished, showcasing the critical need for robust security measures, even in seemingly peripheral systems like test environments. Now, addressing how this breach could have been avoided using Simeon Cloud, it's important to emphasize the importance of securing all tenants with the same security settings as the primary production environments. Simeon Cloud helps organizations establish their desired state configurations and deploy these baselines to all of their Microsoft tenants. In addition, monitoring any changes within these tenants is another critical step. Modifications to policies or the creation of new applications can often signal malicious activity, which might otherwise appear as routine operations. Simeon Cloud alerts administrators to such changes, allowing for prompt remediation. Simeon Cloud also provides frequent snapshots or backups of a tenant state, enabling organizations to revert to a pre-breach state, facilitating rapid response to security incidents. This rollback feature is invaluable in the aftermath of a breach, where recovery of the desired state is critical. In the case of the Midnight Blizzard attack, while the scope was relatively focused, the ability to conduct thorough forensic analysis was crucial. Being able to identify who made changes to what configuration or app is valuable. In conclusion, by using Simeon Cloud to establish baselines, monitor for drift, alert to changes of configurations, and enable recovery of your desired state, your organization can prevent attacks similar to the Midnight Blizzard breach.